Hello, welcome back. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna continue where we left off, is with the moves, and we saw that the moves weren't exactly what I wanted them to be. So I'm gonna try to make the moves much better, so that when I get to the part where it's showing the steps that you need to do in order to solve the puzzle you gave the computer, it will show it really nicely. So that's what I'm gonna start by doing right now. So the first step we need to do is that if we have moves one after another that go the same direction and it's the same car, we can just combine them. So like if the white car is moving to the right one, and then this next move is the same thing, the white moving to the right one, we can combine those two to the white moving to the right 2 times. Alright, so let's see if that works. Okay, so it almost worked exactly how I want it. At the very end there, the 5D2, 5D1, and 2R2, 2R1, those should be 5D3 and 2R3. So when it goes to 3, it doesn't work. So now we're gonna try to see why it doesn't work. Okay, there's no way now. It's not this. There's no way, right? 2 4 3 4 3 4 3 4 5 2, and these are all threes at the end here. All right, now next step is to see there's a section here where it goes 4 3 4 3 4 3. That's not and it's stupid. The sections where it's moving 4R2 and then 4L2. You can see that move is just backtracking, and there's one thing in between which will never interrupt a move going back. So if it finds something like this, it should just remove these 4. And then it has to go through the 3-1 again, because then these two are together. I think I want to change the move from a string to an array, just like we have car, and it has the 3 attributes: the color, direction, and the amount. I don't know, I just feel like that would be better for me, so that's what I'm going to do as well. Alright, let's see how much progress. Let's see the output that it gave me. Oh, that looks pretty good. So 2R1, then it went 3U2. It only went up 2, which it should have gone up 3. So still we have some issue here in the middle where it's doing 3 4 3 4, which should just do 3 and then the 4. Here we go. Start. Move the white 1 to the right, the red 3 up, the 4 L1, yes, 5D3 2R3. Wait, actually now I'm looking at it, 2R3, we add the last one after. Moves in moves dot length minus 1 dot distance plus plus. I don't even have to check, that's exactly 2R4 now. Right, so we got that to work, but I want to make it cleaner, because basically now it's using 4 different stuff, and also I think that if we do it in a different level, it won't 100% make these exact things. So I'm gonna try to combine all them together. I think I know a way to do that, so that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, now it actually popped up. Okay, I do not know what's happening, but everything's fine now. I'm not gonna touch it though. I'm too scared. But yeah, look at that. We have made it where the code is actually nice. That we have our moves correctly now. 2R1, 3U3, 4L1, 5D3, 2R4. And that just seems reasonable, and that looks really, really good. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. I think I'm gonna stop here. This was very, very good. I needed this to be able to just finish this part of the project. I think the next part that I'm gonna be doing, the part where I am able to build any level I want, right? And make sure that the code, still the logic and all that still works and everything is very nice and it shows that it works. I didn't say, but the next step when I'm doing, I give the computer a puzzle and it's giving me that list of moves that we've been working on over here. I want it to show it to the screen nicely without, I don't need to open up output every single time. So yeah, that's the next step, but hopefully you guys are enjoying so far, and I'll see you later.